Canva might have just made one of its smartest moves yet, because instead of adding random flashy AI features, they're quietly building a creative ecosystem that could replace multiple tools for web designers. And once you see how all these new tools connect together, this update becomes way bigger than it first looks. At Canva Create 2026, Canva announced a huge push into professional creative workflows. Not just graphic design, we're talking brand systems, motion design, photo editing, video workflows, and team collaboration, all connected together. And probably the biggest launch here is Canva AI 2.0. And honestly, this feels way bigger than just another AI update. Because Canva isn't just adding AI tools, they're trying to redesign the entire creative workflow around AI. With Canva AI 2.0, you can now create on-brand designs, write, refine, and summarize documents, create or refine presentations. And honestly, that's a pretty massive shift in how creative work gets done. But Canva AI 2.0 is only one part of the bigger picture, because Canva is also trying to connect the entire design workflow together. Canva's brand system can now connect directly with Affinity, which means web designers can access approved logos, colors, fonts, images, and brand styles directly inside Affinity while designing. So instead of digging through random folders or outdated client files, Canva basically becomes the central hub for keeping brand assets organized across the entire workflow. And Canva didn't stop there. They also made Cavalry, their professional motion graphics tool, free with Canva accounts, which is actually a pretty big deal for web designers and creators working with animated content, because Cavalry is built for things like motion graphics, UI animations, social animations, and dynamic visual content. And now, Canva is slowly bringing those motion workflows closer into its ecosystem too. That's another massive sign Canva wants to become way more than just a design tool. And one of the most requested features finally arrived too: Canva Offline. You can now open, edit, and work on designs without an internet connection. And once you reconnect, everything syncs automatically, which honestly sounds simple. But for creators working while traveling, commuting, or dealing with unstable internet, that's a huge quality of life upgrade. And honestly, this feels less like Canva adding new features and more like Canva slowly building the future creative workflow for web designers. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more web design and AI updates.